Morning YouTube. This is a 2008 Harley Davidson Softail Deluxe with standard halogen lighting. The deal for the day is I'm going to change out these halogens for LEDs. The LEDs that I'm going to be using are the Harley Davidson 4-inch auxiliary lamp Daymakers. There's obviously a lot in the on threads and on the internet about the quality of the lights. I elected to go with these. On the 7-inch, I went with the Vision Vortex. Again, lots of information about both. It's really just a matter of your own personal preference and what lights you decide to put into your bike. So I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube, and a lot of times I'm watching guys use tools right over the front fender. For my own preference, I'm deciding to use a towel just to cover it up. Anytime I've done any work on the bike, I always take precaution to protect the paint. Can't imagine why anybody would not want to do that. But again, personal preference in terms of how people want to work on their bikes. No criticism, just the way I do it. So the first thing to do is to take out the Phillips head screws that are right here in the front. Auxiliary lamps. I want to do that, come back and show you the inside. Alright, pretty simple. Just pulled it right off, loosened that one Phillips head screw, unplugged the waterproof connector. The light pulls right out of the ring, and you want to save this mounting ring. So the Harley lights packed really well in bubble wrap. Back of the lamp, connector. Again, plug and play. I don't really expect this to take too long or be too much of a hassle. I want to replace this one, replace the other, start work on the 7-inch. So a little disappointing, the 4-inch Harleys didn't work, either one of them. So I moved on to the 7-inch, pull that out. You can see the connector. I'll be back showing, hopefully that one works and installed. So back to you. The Vision Vortex installed really easily, no issues at all. You can see the difference between the first picture and the second. I mean, clearly the Vision highlights the road much better. I'll show you the brights. And what I'll do when I go back and to the Harley dealer and find out what the problem is with their lights, I will run a line from the 7-inch to the switch that controls the auxiliary lights in the back and set it up such that I can have the brights on as well as the auxiliaries. So after a quick call to my local Harley Davidson dealer where I bought the lights, it seems that somebody at the factory had the wires reversed. So obviously the factory worker enjoyed a good smoke break and didn't know what he was doing. So I want to reverse the other connector, and I'll get back to you in a minute. Yeah, so after all is said and done, they're installed. Looks like, as I said earlier, someone in the Harley Davidson factory had a good smoke break and probably enjoyed themselves a bit too much on lunch, reversed the polarity on the LEDs, and that's why they didn't work initially. But it looks like it's all said and done. I appreciate the Harley Davidson dealer in West Palm Beach on 45th Street. John in service, really helpful, walked me through the logic of having to disconnect the connector and putting it all back together again, so appreciate their help. At least the guys locally aren't doing something on their break that they shouldn't be doing. Okay guys, you take care, enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. If so, give me a comment and let me know if there's something else you need to see on the 08 Harley. Thanks again.